on the bright side of life. You know, enjoy yourself too much. Look over this one. Over this one bright and see yourself. Yeah. You don't know when you P-A-R-T-Y.
I go there 1 or 2 times, but I can't go 3 times.
Sleep. What sleep I go? No sleep no there. No sleep, brother. Adventure party, party, adventure, party, 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 adventure.
You see?
Get real, man. Brother, out in the streets life day. You hear cartels say about these streets no love nobody. A lie, I tell you. The streets love people. And people no love people. Yeah. Sleep and eat can't help it. That not gonna no.
You know, so do a lie as well. A boring to true. But you know, me just a try to stay on the safe side. Because out the road, I pay man a kill man for this. Woman a fight over man, all of them something. Me just a try to steal type corruption. But me I try go out again. The same time I ready to go out again, just wait me. I get ready up, gallop myself, and then we go up on the road.
Me have to laugh. I run from corruption all in your house.
Alright, me you know, so I get what you say though. I get what you say, cause me see you look nice and bling bling. More look bling bling too. So me go get myself together and see if me can come out and put on like eyeshadow, like eyelash, like lipstick and fix up myself. Get dolled and come out with you. No worry, just call me. Just call me.
Yeah. I best thing that to do. You have money by the way?
Money?
You need money for all of them something there, you know. You
Money?
need money for day in the road, for the streets.
Money. Candy, wait, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you, yeah?
Alright.
Let me talk to you, man.
What one?
Oh, man, you alright?
Long time me there wait for you to talk, man. What you have to say? What happened?
I know, so do. The money me I look to borrow for you.
Money. You know me have the money? And me can lend you. But the only way me I go lend you, unless it's something important you're going to do with it. If I know nothing important, me can't lend you. When it comes down to foolishness, me no in it.
Hey, man, that's something important.
What is that? Tell me.
You know, so do. I want to loan me borrow from last month where if you pay off and I know me can't even pay because me no have money. So that's why I look at money to borrow from you.
Loan? You know some of that lend you? But me can't lend you. You know why? You borrow people them loan and you don't have to figure them back. Me now, I got to be like one idiot to take up my money and lend you. How me I go get it back? You're not going to have to figure me. But you when tell me say you're hungry and you want a little thing, I'm going to give it to you. But me sorry. Me not know that. So when it come down from the money part with me, me not joke with money. Money is very important and I don't want nobody style me and take money and can't give me back. I think a little bit of somebody do me that girl. Me sorry for you. Ask somebody else.
That's so important.
It's important to borrow people money. Don't. And important to give them back. Hush.
But me never say me not give you back.
Me know, so you tell me say you're going to give me back, but your heart will not give me back because you're wicked. You have to give back the people them their loan. And me, I want to come out to say, you go hold loan and owe me. Where you going to get it from? You can't find it to give the loan place. You going to find it to give me. You know, you going to tell me, say, oh, me and Candy are friends, so she don't want to. A liar tell me and you and money and no friend. And me and money alone a friend. You're mad girl. Ask me to sit next. You better when you ask me to buy you ice cream. Mother do it later. Boy! Yeah,
So you're dealing with me. Alright.
Where you come from?
Out the road, I go check one of my friends.
I mean out the road, but look for a day gone.
I just said I talk to her about some stuff.
So you say you love God, people you go sell and lavish.
I know her yard, me go, I just walk out the road. If I go buy a drink, and I meet her on the way. So we just stand up on the roadside that time, I don't go her yard.
So you drink take 3 hours?
I'm not 3 hours, babe. I just 1 hour since we leave here.
But me tell you say, me have a friend named plan to go to the party. I plan to bring you with me. You see me? You gone out with friend And I waste time when me can go a party right now. You there so. I'm ready, you know.
Party?
Me have to take off back my clothes.
Babe, you know when it come down to them thing there, you know, midnight night party? No, me have something else important to deal with better than party. Me not have no time to waste on that, and I waste some money that, by the way.
So I say, I waste my time I go a party. You know, say party is something when me enjoy, it distress me. You see me? Just let me want 10,000 and me and my friend then go then. Since as you know want come, you don't have to come, man. You don't have to come. Since as you know want come, just let me $10,000 or $15,000. Me go buy two anything or something.
Don't get me wrong. I don't have a problem with you partying or if you go anywhere you want to go. You can enjoy yourself. But me not in a them thing there. Me have too much things to do. We more than party. You understand? Me not have no time to think about party. And me not have no problem with you going to party. You can go enjoy yourself and come back. Just know yourself. Know yourself. Me can lend you the $10,000.
Can't take this, you know.
See it here. See $10,000 there. And I hope you enjoy yourself. And now when you come go on like me no want you go nowhere, is that me no want go on a party because sometimes when you go say I left your yard and go a party, you know what happen?
So you can't make it look spontaneous. You think we have to just
We not have to go a party with so much people at war and this and that.
Alright.
Me you can just go to and have one nice dinner at one ball. Why you want to go party so you drink too much rum?
Alright, so have a party for me then. Take off your clothes then. Take off your clothes. Have a party for me.
If I that the party day, now you start talk, cause when it come down to take off clothes, you know some in a ramp with that already.
You're easy.
You're good to go. But
Yeah.
party pan road all about, you can go enjoy yourself, babe, but me alright.
Good party now. No?
You have a condom? Cause you know me not go naked, me no night. And that me they talk about now. Protection is good for the soul.
You know me have condom already, man. What you want? You want the slam, the rough rider, the lamb, or which one?
No. Shh. You know my favorite Ardina babes. Flavored one too.
Yeah! Alright, anyways, man, I go up on the road and also. Just nobody wear no clothes later, so when I come in, I can just slide in.
Oi. Just take care of yourself and spend wisely. So later.
Good one.
Later. What try you now, but I got road. How with this? You say I got road. Go on. Go on a road, man. You look there and sitting there too much. You're such
Alright, man, I'm gonna enjoy myself.
But don't spend too much. Go on.
No, your chopping's going on.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Alright then. Here, walk there, give me.
Anytime you need me, bartender, give me what's your red stripe? What's your red stripe? 550? A red stripe. I'm your love doctor. Party! Not China! Hey!
You're one of a kind. What's in you
Yo, party night! Party night! Party night! Beautiful lady! Yeah! Last year, no. Here!
Oh, baby, oh, feel good. So when I'm wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a record song, that feel good, feel good. That I feel good. 'Cause the perfume is so loud that only I can talk about. That feel good, feel good. Oh, what a night. What a night, what a night. Oh God, what a night. Oh, God.
Babe, wake up. You know what time now? Sun hot out the door and you asleep 10 o'clock. Oh, you're big and lazy. Wake up, man. Wake up, you look like you enjoy yourself all night. You drink till you're drunk, you drop asleep with what you? Cliff. You know say we burn down the place? You must think a little bit of money me pay for this bed here. You can't do that. You should have just come and put in an ashtray. That's why I don't like talk to man when smoking, man, because you not act responsibly, you know what you know.
You didn't even kiss me good morning, yeah.
When me a kiss you for you know you just wake up, you not even brush your teeth. You mad? Look how long me wake up from morning. Me bathe and brush my teeth. You just awake and I make one wake you. You not even brush your teeth but you want to come kiss me. Have a cliff in your mouth. Me can see you enjoy yourself last night.
So me can't kiss you, scan me?
Me not scan you, but me a smell the rum in your mouth. Go brush your teeth and bathe, man. Look how you sweat up. You sleep all the time, the rum a perspire out of your body in a sweat.
You can get me some coffee.
When you bathe, me will give you. By the way, where the money that we did give you the other day?
Babes. You know, some more growing on Navi and because truly I want to listen around them. I say, alright, I'll stop running a little bit. Let me check my pocket. Me don't find the money. You see me, I feel, come here, I'll try to make some call or find to try to get back a piece of food. But they might tell me say next week or something. But I don't depend on that because most time I don't see them on LinkedIn. But I get no money.
Me don't believe you. Why you never tell me before?
So you really feel that I was lay down beside her and tell her such lie?
Really? So, if me never have a conversation now, mood know some money last from you.
That's true, me know how you're miserable and tell me just never want to upset you. Never want to upset you, baby.
All of a sudden, me get miserable. Look here. No, not friend me up. You ask me for the money to do something and me give it to you. You know, say me I'll go down the road and see Mr. What name? Mr. Reed down there. And the man I said people are asking for lease land and 1%. You know how that the land is big and the man a lease out land down there and me give you the money to go do that because you say you want to do business and you don't do it. I can't tell me say money last.
When I grow up Mr. Reed, he never run there. That's why I end up running a Navlet really hard. Because they have something around there, a barbecue.
Business are business. Business before pleasure.
It's because they must say that's why I tell you something. Okay, too miserable, man.
No, listen now. Babe, every time you ask me for money and tell me say something important you're going to do with it, me take it out, give it to you. And when me take a stack of foolishness I do with you, and you come back with a different story, and I always lie they tell me. And me like idiot still I give you.
Just stop the foolishness. Because when you know so when me I give you money, you're not normal, you know, man. Easy yourself, man.
You not give me no money because you not work, and me always give you. Don't do it.
You not work, you know, but I just say, go stop. You'll get it back, man. You'll get it back. Stop the foolishness. Right
So you not go bed.
Me I'll see all one clocks with that one.
Clocks.
Yeah.
So how much should I the clocks? Say, look, yo.
25,000 feet. That can roll.
25,000.
Don't stress yourself, man. You'll make up later. I'm get a piece of sex. Just sex. Good.
Shotty G, not tell no lie. You see from me you're there? God no. You have broke me down.
When you say that, babe?
Because me just continue and spend every minute you want money. And it's not like say, me can't give you. Yes, me can give you. But what you do with it? As me give you, it disappear. Me don't know what you do with it.
Babes, come on. You say me not have the money? Me stress. Like, me feel like me I go mad. Sometimes I feel like me I go out and sometimes I feel like me I come in. Feel like me I'm mad when me not have no money.
Oh, so I'm near your bank.
Yeah, babes, you're not the bank. You're only the bank for any time you have bank it on one side over this. But as me go out the road and say, "Rah!" The money gone out of my pocket. Me don't know kind of something that there. Me don't know. But anytime me up on the road and stay so and take out all the money out of my pocket, it done. Me see how somebody me have to buy them all that juice and this. I don't know. It's not easy for me, you know. I think it's easy for me. When I go on the road, everybody look up to me. Everybody, and me then call Father.
Shotty G,
Father Chatty G then call
you
me.
chat too much.
Don't ever say that again. You don't even know it hurt my feelings right now. I swear to God. Money is nothing in Jamaica. If me get $10,000 right now and go out there so and say me I go buy a juice. It done. By the time I come, me I wonder way there. Me just go buy all one juice and one food. Money done.
Shotty G,
Take taxi
you
money.
chat too much. Money no like nice, and you ever they make nice. As you got money, so the whole world know about it. That's why you ever lose it. Me don't like your style. I mean, it's not a bank. I just show me love you, you know. That's why when you ask me for no, me give it. But don't take me for no granted. Me go there, so. It don't make no sense. Me still don't gonna talk to you because from me know you are so you and you have no change or change. Me go look out something around you, so.
Wagwan General. I mean this now, you know. Are you this, sir?
Yeah, man, I just say there now in the earth, is it?
How you mean, man?
Remember back in the days when you say me have money and a friend?
Yeah.
I know me have money and a friend.
How you mean, man?
Yeah. So, me have to show you 100 too, because yo, me see you one night, you know, up at the party, you know. When did I roll through, but when me I roll nowadays, me roll silent.
See.
You know what I mean? So, unless me I teach you now, because me see I roll with Mr. Loud, you know. That virgin is loud, you know.
Who that?
Your virgin, man.
Yeah, my virgin, man, my virgin.
Yeah, man, me not see my party in loud, that be nice, man, because everyone go be nice, he make, because he get money, he make be nice. Money run gone left him. So if you want money run left you follow him.
See.
Because money,
Yeah.
money don't like nice. Check the facts right, man. It's a good on the market and here you put the money there. You don't say be nice down there. Because the money not too did there.
Sure.
Everybody try say, take a pound off of that now, take a money off of that pound there, man. You do this and you do that, you nice.
Yeah.
Take a go in a bank then. Go in a bank and here, you can drop a pin and here in a bank.
Sure, man.
Millions are put on in a bank every day, millions are take out, but silent. Because that's where money live. Money don't like nice. So you find a place that's silent, you find money. So you're not up and down in the night on the crowd. They can't if at the party too, you're way up in the something that's up, so you keep your money in your pocket. You spend a lot of things, but if you stay forward.
Yeah.
You understand? Money don't like nice. Run me around through still, you know?
How you mean, man?
Yeah,
Give
man.
thanks for the reasoning,
Yeah,
guys.
man.
You know?
Me and them girls left, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I look a good woman, I know the boy, I tell you, only one problem you have now on the earth, you know. If you get a good woman, after you have the money, you want a good woman to kind of enjoy life with.
Sure.
But for now, we just have to play silent.
I like what I go on still, because I like the upful movement. I realize say I do a thing. I do my thing still, but as I say, loud and nice.
Yeah, loud and nice.
Yeah, man, I loud and nice.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bless up my boss. Angle Bangle. Yeah, man, some respect, I'm on the boss. Bless up. Come on, get to my boss. Right, the money make nice enough money too.
Bombard! How is that? Look! Bombard! Yo! A long time we don't see you now. Look, George! Where the fuck? How you found from? Yo, watch out. Cause right now you're a good boy in the work blocks. A long time we waiting. A whole 1,000. Cool out.
Alright.
You hear that? Big up yourself in the blocks.
Every
Blocks.
time.
Big up yourself, you know.
Every
And you so can me go look girl in the blocks. You don't know that.
Alright.
Right now, I'm in name. What my name? What my name? What my name, blacks?
Chat to G.
What you mean, brother? I want to you, man. I think me chat too much. I
No,
think me
man.
just chat.
Mm-mm.
Brother. Yo, right now, I'm BMW. I want to drop out here, so right now.
Right
I'm
away.
say,
Oh, you mean-
right now, out here,
you
someone
mean-
drop a BMW.
Drop it and show them and sit and do it.
You believe in me long time in the blacks?
Oh gosh. man.
Yo, drink a beer and cool up, blacks.
Alright.
So you go.
Alright. That's enough.
Big up yourself. Look where you're coming from.
Alright.
Work, blacks.
Alright.
Work you come from.
Not too.
I work. I'm a woman take care of me.
Say it going on. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't
Oh.
do. You shouldn't think too much, you know?
Not too pressure thing. You
Not
know what
too
thing go.
leak it.
Yeah, not too leaky. Alright.
Don't say nothing, man.
Big up yourself, Black. Big up.
Alright.
Anyways, man, grown up, so hear that?
Yeah, man.
Hear that, Blacks?
Do your thing, man.
Big up, Black.
Alright.
What you mean? Nah, man, around here. Nah, man.
Watch it, cool. Not easy, you know. The man can chat, so man. You can hold him out. Hold him out, man.
Money in a pocket, me not do laugh. Money in a pocket, and me not do laugh. Laugh out, me not laugh. Laugh out, me
Go on.
Yo, easiest. Yo, where the boy?
Go on, man.
Everything down, man.
Me have money, man. I have money.
Brother, you know I think come down, brother. Me have money and a friend, brother. Me have...
You let me, man.
Brother, me have money and a friend. Big up yourself still, cause you're a good youth. You're a good artist. Big up yourself. You see me? Me have money and a friend. You see me? Big up yourself. Oh.
Alright.
Money, chop, me not laugh. Chop, laugh, me not do laugh. Yo, what? What did happen?
Money!
Bomba!
Yeah, man.
Yeah!
Don't wanna be a deal, man. Don't wanna be a deal. Yeah.
Yo, I cheer on them one tonight.
Just take your contact, man. Put it in.
Yo, I don't want them to style me, you know, cause me have
Come on,
money
just
for
call
spend.
me.
Me have money for spend.
Call,
When you
wait.
go over there, so you can just call me.
Over there, she live?
Yeah.
Alright.
Number.
Yeah. See that. Put your number in that. Cause I think so, put your number. Any number you put in there, me can make it get money right now.
Eat that.
Any Oh.
Yeah,
put it
man.
in. Alright, yo. Me see you here.
Yeah, man,
Me
really.
see you here.
What are we
Big up
here?
yourself, you hear that? You hear that? Come here. You feel me? Tonight.
Tonight.
Look more. Alright. Money, chop, me not laugh.
How much money? Contact money. No, but you make a big chop. Turn it on the heavier side, man. This you have to me. Share it. Yeah, man, share it. One. Give me 3 too. That is it. Yeah, man, we're rich.
here, so. Sell out for the shampoo and condition. Me say I want a Pepsi for drink. They hot. Yeah man, you can carry them home and go put them in your freezer or put this ice in one glass and drink. Cool down the temperature, you know say it's sun hot. Alright, one next time. Sell out for the handbag. Hot girl look on the nice handbag over here, say you want it to buy. And then you wear, you know. You said that you match your clothes with your have on. Where you say you don't have no money? Alright, next time. Next time, baby. Sell out. Hello, nice girl. You eat peanut butter? You can go support the thing. Them peanut butter nice, you know. Them nice, them peanut butter, your body's peanut butter. You like it? 3,500. 3,500 for that. Thank you. God bless you. You can tell your friend them about the little stall over here. See here? Alright, bless up yourself. Sell out on the shampoo. Conditioner and shampoo are jinxing, you know, and it smell good. Sell out. Nice lady. The shampoo you do it right now. You don't want none to buy. I don't know people, everybody has said they don't have no money and work hard, they don't work. Anyway, I give God thanks to when I sell already, you know. And it come like rain, I go come down, you know, the sun out, but the place look cloudy. You know, so I go come pack up and go in my yard. And I wouldn't want rain to catch me right here, so. God know me, I give God thanks to when I sell. And next time, when I don't make it, I make it tomorrow. I go home in my yard right now. I mean, I like how the place I look. And the bag so heavy and I have to go take that.
I want to talk to you. I see my video come over and say to you, I don't want to vendor and I'm still just on move still, but you know, because the boss, I really love them something. Let me give you a blind seat. Let me see how move. You understand?
Alright, no problem. Thanks, man.
Alright, respect.
Thank you, here. Alright, yeah, man. Catch me down here today. Taxi hard to get at the map. Ah, Jesus. Boy! Hey! Boy! I've got two of them.
Most of my father make come here.
Yes, well, go on, come.
Alright, I'm coming.
Yeah, man.
So me I say, you don't know how they get the money.
No.
You know someone you know from the road. You know Ilya Chappie G.
Yes, you know.
The one we always agree with, man. Yes, and he get the money from.
You're lucky.
Yes.
You're lucky,
He
man.
don't take care.
I take come. Good day. Yes, ma'am. Cheryl. Good day, yes. I'm a partner, I come to pay. But before me pay this partner money. Yes, Candy. Girl, you know the man named Chatty G?
No one man where we not try to more than give away for money.
Give away for money. One shot, tick you. And he love chat with you.
Love chat.
Where you just say, he give you money?
One day, me and my friend man walk on the road and I say my brother and boss when full of money. And he just put the money, so.
And he just give you money, sir? So again, get?
Yeah.
Who will give money? How much you want to do today?
3 away. Me and my two friends. Me and the girl, we always see me apart.
Yes.
Yes. And
so why you are stressed on the tree, so?
I say.
I told me know him. And he love chat with you, but me never know say I walk and give him money.
You say you give him money too?
No, sir.
You not get none? Sure say you not get
He
none?
no give me none.
Well, me did lucky. Give me lucky.
Chakaberry?
Yes.
Yeah, the lucky one.
You can ask you one question. Hey, man.
No, me not tell you what man always like give him money. Me not even know.
So you just look on the tree on as woman and just go no money for nothing at all.
Brag like he did a junkie day.
You sure say him give you? Alright.
Candy.
Don't worry yourself.
Candy.
See
You
your
look
money.
like say bun you too
No.
late get the money.
No
You
man,
don't
me just
get no.
no, me no want to talk about him. Me just want to me and my chat about Chatty G and me kinda know him.
Candy, Candy, you look how weird.
You
You
look
look
like
how
me can't
weird.
even find the money I know too.
Yeah, I get stressed and last money.
Yeah, somebody say you say you get the money and Candy don't get no.
Well, I say they can't get. Oh, you find it.
Oh.
Are you taking money or him give it?
And him give me say.
When
But why you don't pan the money so?
me come to you, me not even know where the girl take me the money and the whole hand funny. Then something
no,
serious.
the girl talk about the money and you just a debate about the money.
I'm
you
done
want
with
to
it.
know if I trade them. You want with the girl and the man in a business.
Cheryl,
So what that have to do with the
Cheryl,
Candy, pay your
Cheryl,
money.
me
Candy,
know you
come
long
pay the money.
time. You pick up for people, you pick
Me
up
not
for me.
pick up for the no, right is right.
Then you
Candy,
can have your
you
money
look
in
how
your...
weird.
Cheryl, you know say me hold the money if you count you and the girl at hold on funny. And she a banker? Are you me come to you know?
Alright, Candy.
See money here.
Alright, Candy.
I write money this. Hold
Yes,
on.
Candy.
When me can... Cheryl, when me can take your money from me for her?
Alright, Candy. Me sorry.
When me can get me draw, cause 2 hand me have in there.
Alright. Check my weekend.
Cause right now, come like pressure gone up since me reach right here. So.
So your money?
Which money? Me want to know when me a get me draw.
Candy.
When you give me draw.
Candy, me say weekend you get the money.
You sure say weekend me a get one I draw?
Candy go on.
Alright.
Weekend you get the money, Candy.
Alright, thanks.
God almighty. You look how weird. You look how weird. So, you know, see, she don't pay your heart if I tree you know. And if you are the man in a business, like how Frank Candy yes, you get the money, Candy pressure. Candy, take it serious.
Friend, money, my friend. You see my friend.
Something
Something
in
in
that
a song. Alright, yeah, me a
Yeah,
come
man,
down.
and take care. Yes. Them your young people are for the man problem. We can't deal with them and the man problem at all.
Hey, babe.
Oh, hey, baby.
I did my hair. Like it?
Yeah, man, it's nice, man. Are you do your eyes stuff?
Yeah.
So, where you get money from today here in your eyes?
What you say?
So, where you get the money from today here?
My money.
Come on, baby, your money.
Alright, me tell you the truth. You know, so though, I money when me see you, they put on the just I'm used to.
Jeez, pity must come on, babe. You know we go already.
What happened?
The money you have to do the pay the bills, the rent, and we are trying to get to own a place.
Me never know.
Come on, you know, man.
Me never know. And me here did want do. You never see me here did look awful.
Babe, you have to make a choice in life, you know. It's either you're here or you live somewhere. It's as simple as that.
But me want to do two of them.
So you have to do it to them at the right time. You know how it go already. Yeah, as somebody you talk to, because you leave your house in such a different mood and you come back now, I don't know. I
I don't talk to
understand.
nobody, me just see here them look nice, more look good too.
I'm not saying if you look good, babe, but I like you as natural as you are. Look at your pretty eyes then. Right now, the thing I like your eye, them I hide the eye them. Me know say you want to do your stuff, you know, but we never budget for this month because we have some things that we have to sort out. And if we don't get them something to sort out, we can't get in a problem, financially speaking. You understand me? Don't follow nobody, man. We could do a thing and do it in our few own time. We can get it all the way you want, you know, but we have to set it first. The foundations have to set, babe. I'm here, you know. I'm here, you. I'm here, you.
Yeah, me and you, but
I'm here, you.
I
So,
feel
hey,
look good too.
you look good already, but you're gonna look better. Remember this, babe. You have good, you have better, and you have best. So you have to choose it. And just make Jah take care of the rest.
You know, me young, you know, me want to look good too, so just relax, now.
Make me very relaxed, babe. It's not about being relaxed.
How that?
Hello? Hello?
How that?
Who that, man?
Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, no.
Sorry.
It's not that about. Yeah, Mr. Grant, yeah.
What go on? A 2 month now, no home rent, you know. And look like me, I've got if you couldn't, you know. No, I have to tell me something. What go on?
Mr. Grant, you understand? Say, you want the rent, me did have it. You understand me? I say, because me is not a brother fake, you know, run around and, you know, just to make it nice, you know what I mean, about certain things. Me can be honest with you, this woman I have her, she use half her money, she never really planned for it, as she never understand the situation them, and she try, you know, a different thing. But here I go on now. Me go get back your rent money. Me have to get it back, right? So please bear with me, and me go make sure say by the end of this month you get the 3 rent them what you're supposed to get. You hear Mr. Grant? I'm very sorry about that. It's just she love me nice. You know what I mean? She love the nicer things than all these low things. You understand?
Me give you 3 days to find the money, you know. And see if you can't find money, you have to pack up and come out. Me never have my sort of problem yet, you know. Me never have my sort of problem yet. So just sort out my money, Zane.
Yes,
because me have how much other people who are linked me say they want place to rent, and because you know occupy a place, me can't tell them say yes. So just do enough to do and do the right thing. Alright?
Alright, Mr. Grant, respect. So your cause? So your cause? I tell you, babe, don't follow the nice. Don't follow the nice. You see, listen, me tell you this. You see, all of them people you see out the road, out door them outside. You the inside. Stay inside and stay safe. Secure yourself. Without money you have no sound. You understand? And money no make no sound. So you have to understand the silence about it. You understand me I say? You don't have to go on and look loud. You have money in your pocket, you're secure. You understand? And look on it now, we don't have no rent money. We can't pay rent because of what? You want to follow the nice.
They know about money. Hey, Noblet! We have in our shop. They know the energy about ya. What I'm doing up, let me go. What I'm doing up. I'm rich. What I'm doing up. What I'm doing up. I want. Give me a buckle of energy, then, Noblet. Give me a buckle of energy. Give me a buckle of energy. No. Yo, what I'm doing up. Look for this. Look there. Look there. Think of that now, man. Eh? Think that. That's it. Yo, give me a buckle. Me didn't want to look, me didn't want to look for that. Oh, me rich. Me didn't want to look for that. Just put on my back and make me cool out. Just put on my back and make me cool out. Hey, hello, where you do? Don't tuck up. Put your back, man. Where you do? Where you do? Can't put yourself. Can't do that. You can't do that. Give me one water and cool out, because you just diss me. You just diss me. Leave me laugh with you. You see me coming here to spend my money here. Look how long me order energy. You deal, give me energy. You make me come in here like an idiot. Eh? Me can't like one of them if you want me like you know.
Like all of them.
Right? Like, I'm like you all of them.
Yeah.
Come sit down here, sir. Come sit down here, sir. Sit down here, sir, see if you don't like it. Come here, sir.
Me turn up.
Put your tip on the table. Put your tip on the table. Give me a lighter. Give me a lighter.
Them done.
Alright, me a lighter. Read my life, man. I think me that. Me have girl for this. Yeah, give me this. Take this up. Hey, take that then. Cool out. I'm here. Take me now, man. Me rich. Rich, yeah. Me rich, brother.
And what did they brother there, man? Look like something wrong with him, man.
Money, chop. Outside, money, chop. What I'm doing? Money over there. We can't burn money from now till the morning. I mean, I ask nobody, nobody. Chop. Money. Over there.
A long time in a single girl out here in there. I did up on my father. Yeah, man, I can hear it now. What do you feel? I told them to do it and I hear just now. Oh, but I want to kick a cup so do I. I don't know. It's the hot water. Oh, you look nice in front of the door. Come back, girl. Look there. I want that. I want to scratch card them, you know. Come here, scratch after one. Me always say my mother buy. Wait, let me take out the kind. Come here, you. Hold on. Me scratch first, man, see if me win. Come back, girl, me lose. Me so much money did today. It did not scratch good. Good man, it's like $1,000. No, 10,000. Your turn, come and lose. But you don't win neither. No. Alright, my turn. I'm gonna scratch no more. My turn. No man, I said that people are wicked and thief. I too, one of mine and yours. Come here. Here, take that take that
One of them.
Yeah, scratch off them card.
How buy on the card?
We just find them.
Alright. Go and do now, alright?
Enough, you see? I'm gonna scratch off in that one. Girl, me now win. Come, you scratch off here, then me scratch mine. Now win, man.
You tell her what
Girl, me now win.
Me now cut you, but I'm showing you something though. Me not encouraging you to gamble, you know. But it's anywhere nice there, money no follow. Right?
Yeah.
You have to silent when not do it. Scratch off one now. Silent. Like I know say, no word I scratch off one, I say for no way. You see that? See your window now. Just because you're silent. 10,000 that. Make sure you try now. Silent, no nice.
Win 10,000 too.
Alright, the 200 win. Don't take on the time.
But they want to win
More
than
than man, go and scratch. But remember, one thing I teach you now, money don't like nice. So shh, it's too loud.
Bombard girl me win. No girl, let her win again. Yeah, if it show me win, you see it then. Well, give me this and take that. Come on, go here. Hello? Yeah, you know, said my husband money missing and I want some money for her. You can't lend me some money? Hey, Candy. Wait. Alright. It's all good.
I want him. Where you touch me for now? You again? Where you want this time? Tell me. Where you want?
Candy, just cool now, man. Where you going so far? You know, say me and friend already.
Me?
Just cool now. You know, say do my boyfriend,
Mm.
my husband.
Your boyfriend and then your husband. Where you talk say?
Candy, just cool now. Listen to what me
Tell me
say.
where you have to tell me, because I know say every time you see me, I see you always want. What again?
My husband rent money missing and me I look at money for borrow cause you know so if we don't come up with the money them I'll put me out. I would not know if you stay.
So you want me to do it now? Lend your money to go do a parent? Okay. So all of you feel say me rich. How what?
Hear what me have to say?
Me look like bank teller. Me no have no money to give you just so. Anything me have, work for it. Look on you. About you borrow money from me all the while and you know you're not going to give me back. Look how your dress look nice. Look on the slippers, so how you so broke and your dress so good. Look how you dress up. And I ask you for money, so can you come back for me? Remember, say me lend you money how much time and you don't give me back, and all you have to say is Candy, you soon get it back. So me if you turn idiot again and come lend you money, when you going to give me back?
You know, see, as soon as me have the money, me give you back. Just relax now, Candy.
Soon, you work.
Of course.
So you work and you not get no pay.
Money just not coming out if you come in, Candy. Just relax now.
You know, say, look for your eyelash, go here.
What
You know much for that? Eh? And you come and ask me for money? Right now, me hungry. Me have money to do something way important. Not to give you figure party, me and a friend, but me sorry.
And a party me want if I Candy, I
Awa.
pay my rent.
Okay, so me fi get money. And carry come give you.
Then me not go
Figure
pay
give
back.
for your man, fi pay rent. Fi and him go in there. Half an hour me and my man are going there. One each party they go. The bride.